Hello everyone, welcome back to the series which is called Paint with Me. If you haven't watched the first video of the introduction of this whole series, please go and watch it. It's available on the short video as well. So today's feeling is gratitude, which I'm putting in the category of growth, balance, and healing. And the color associated with this category is green. So today we will paint with the green color. And we will paint and talk about gratitude. Gratitude is something which comes with a ton of thankful feeling, where we feel happy and just grateful for things' existence. It could be an act of love, service, or just someone's existence. For me personally, I'm a very hard person to live with in any form. Family, friends, teachers, and everyone in general might find it testing sometimes to survive around me. I have this stupid urge to do everything perfect all the time, disregarding all the natural facts. Therefore, I generally feel angered, frustrated, and in constant urge to find stability. But today I realized that stability does not come from constant manifestation. It comes from calm, cool, and collection. Collection of love, collection of silences at the time when mirror is unnecessary and does not make any difference. In realization process of the core of gratitude, it is also mandatory we respect our life as well. In the name of being silence brings stability does not mean we need to choose it every time. If today someone doing something nice for you doesn't mean you have the burden of forgetting and forgiving everyone else's mistreatment. In this moment, one person whom I consider rigid and harsh, over the time I was in terms with my boundaries and kept my distance, she did something nice for me. I felt humbled and thankful for such act of kindness, despite rough past experiences. It changed my way how I look people now. But this gratitude comes with another feeling, a kind of urge to come to terms with other people who somehow left me in an awkward feeling of sadness. Their act, although not intentional, yet made me feel dumb and question my way of living. Judgment about me having priorities shook me. It left me with this feeling of awkwardness because me having a different lifestyle became a deal breaker of the friendship. Somehow, normality of my life was not cool, fun, and was not just enough. Maybe I'm wrong here, but if I need amends today for my existence and literally a basic way of living, I don't think I'll be able to keep my backbone straight. Today, despite being in gratitude and in awe of someone nice, I still don't feel okay to forgive other self-proclaimed kind people. I shared these two experiences because in first case, the rough start brought a kind of bitterness, but naturally, I got to a kind of place. In the later, I chose silence over dispute almost the entire course. Still, that was not enough. This tells me something about love and how we treat people. But sometimes it's better to just let go for the sake of one's sanity. So these are my thoughts on gratitude. I hope I'm not boring you guys. And let me know in the comments how you like this painting. Okay, see you again tomorrow with a new thought, new feeling, and new realizations. Till then, bye bye.